Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I will show you how to download and install the quick search app on your Android TV without Google Play Store app. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have your Android TV but you do not see Google Play Store on it, this is what you can do to install the quick search app. Just go over to your browser. I would prefer the Google browser, and in the search box you're going to type quick search app. So you're going to search for it. So here is it over here, quick search app. Once you search this, you're going to see results like this. So here are the different options. It depends on the one you're looking for. So for instance, if you're looking for this first one, just click on it once and then you are going to get the install button. Now I want to warn, if your TV has an Android operating system, then the application should work. If the application doesn't work, then it is not compatible with your Android TV. So all you have to do is just install and try on your Android TV and see for yourself. So you can just click the install button here and the application will start installing straight away. And if that first option doesn't work for some reason, they can install from here, which is a third-party site called up to down. You can use up to down to install the same application without any problem. And this is how you can install this app to your Android TV even if you do not have Google Play Store app installed. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.